Alright, now we're going to take everything you've learned and make a simple birthday card app. The app's going to look like this. It's a digital card that you can show and share with a friend or family member. Then, at the end of the practice set, you'll be making your own custom holiday card. So what I'm going to do for you right now is break down the process of turning a drawing like this into code. And this is going to take 3 easy steps. And when you're designing application layouts, these are good steps to follow if you're not sure how to get started. Okay, so step 1 is to take the layout and select the correct views to use. Step 2 is to then take those views and position them on the screen. And basically, you do step 2 by choosing the correct view group and then selecting the correct positioning attributes. Finally, we add all of the stylistic touches in step 3. This is where we take the views and add things like color or font-related attributes. One thing you'll notice is that this card says Happy Birthday Ben and from Lila. Now, your name probably isn't Lila, and maybe you don't have a friend named Ben, so you can feel free to change this text around as we go through the example. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in. Let's start with step 1, which is selecting the views. Given this application, what views do you think are included?